Hello, my group is Eric, Yvette and me, Tom. We're going to explain the universe and the solar system.
The universe is defined as everything we can touch, feel, sense, measure or detect. It includes living things, planets, stars, galaxies, dust, clouds, limbs, and even time.
Before the Big Bang, the universe was inside a bubble that was smaller than a peanut.
When the universe exploded Big Bang nearly 40 billion years ago, it created time, space, and galaxies.
The solar system is a set of planets:
Mercury, Venus,
Earth,
Mars, Jupiter,
Saturn,
Uranus, and Neptune. Thank you for your attention.
Hello, we are Stefan, Arnau and Julia. We are going to explain the characteristics of the sun and the stars. The stars are space energy engines that produce forms of radiation. The stars look like they are solid objects in the sky. And now Arnau will complete.
Hi, these gas, they're actually hot gas, hot balls, and is called plasma. Generally, the more massive the star, it burns up its fuel supply and shorter its life.
The more massive can burn out and explode in a supernova. After only a few million years of the fusion star, with a mass like our sun. On the other hand, can continue fusing hydrogen for about a billion years. The entire solar system, including the sun, revolves around the center of the Milky Way, our galaxy.
All the planets of the solar system orbit the sun. The sun is a small star compared with the other stars of the universe. The sun is very far off the Earth. The distance between the Earth and the sun is of 93 millions of miles. The sun is very hot. It consists of gases and high temperatures. The sun temperature is of 6,000 degrees. When the light of the sun doesn't arrive is when it's the night.
The color of a star depends on its surface temperature. Hotter star appearance are blue, whereas cooler stars appear to have orange or red. Also, stars in the mid-range, like our sun, are white, yellow in color. Mid-over stars can blend such colors, and little stars are of red and orange or blue or white.
This has been our project. We hope you like it.
Hello, my group is Brock, Vignette, and Maria. I'm explaining the galaxies. There are eight planets in our solar systems. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Neptune, Saturn, Uranus, and Jupiter. There are over 100 billion galaxies in the universe. The largest galaxies contain nearly 4 billion stars.
Hello, we are Ferran, Jana and me, Martin, and we talk about Mercury and Venus. We are group number 3.
Mercury is the first planet of the solar system, and the solar system has 7 planets. And Mercury is number 1. Mercury is the smallest planet to the solar system. And also, the material is from rocky and craters.
You can see at the night Venus. He is also rocky and size and more or less as the Earth.
Okay. Venus is the planet number 2 to the solar system, and it spins very slowly. The 1 day in Venus is 243 days in Earth, and the Venus is very cold, very
Venus
hot.
takes 225 days to orbit the Earth. And Venus is the hottest planet of the solar system because Venus has got clouds and not let the hot go.
Thank you for your attention and goodbye.
Hello, the group is made to Jana, Bianca and me, Pau. This group is number 4 and this group explains you the Earth. Now, Bianca, start.
The Earth is only on the planet in our solar system.
I take the Earth 24 hours to return ons. The liquid water covers over of 17th planet from the Sun.
Earth, our home planet, is the 3rd planet from the Sun.
The atmosphere is made 2 meters of gases and 78 nitrogen and 21 of oxygen. The Earth has one moon. He is largely known as the moon. That's all.
Hello everybody. We are
Pep, Caral and me, Martina. During this presentation, we will explain the internal planets, the rotation of the rotation and the translation of the Earth. Now, Pep explain.
Hello, I'm Pep. Now I'm explaining the Earth movement. The Earth moves in 2 different ways in the space. The Earth rotation and revolves. The rotation is for 24 hours, and the days is for 365.25 days. And now Caral.
I am Caral and now explain. There is an imaginary line. This line touches the center of the Earth. Call it the axis. This is the axis. The axis extends from north to south and the axis at a tilt of 23.5 degrees. The Earth revolves around the Sun. The Earth rotation. This takes approximately 3,065 days or 1 year. The Earth revolution. This takes approximately 3,065 days or 1 year.
The path the Earth takes around the Sun is called Earth's orbit. The Earth's orbit is in elliptical shape. Now Martina explain.
The Earth is doing the revolution. This is the Sun and this is the Earth. The revolution is it's not a cycle. It's a oval shape, and when the Earth is far that the winter, it's winter in the Earth, and when it's near at the Sun, there is summer in there.
Bye. Hello, my group is formed by Claudia, Iker, and me, Anna. My group is playing the moon, characteristics and phases. The moon is very important. The moon in the night, she does its function. It's that at night it becomes dark, so when we sleep, it does not bother use in sunlight. And now we'll continue, Claudia.
Hello, my name is Claudia and I explain with Iker the shapes of the moon. Now I explain the new moon. The new moon is the first lunar phases. But when the moon and the sun have the same ecliptic longitude. And now I explain the full moon. The full moon is one lunar phases. Is when the moon appears in the earth and illuminates all the earth. And now you will see a photos about this. This is the full moon, and this is the new moon. Now continue, Iker.
Hi, I'm Iker, and I'm going to explain the shapes of the moon. The moon looks different, depends how the moon is situated, is placed in relation to the sun. In this photo behind me, you can see the crescent moon. This shaped moon is in this position. In the photo behind me, you can see the gibbous moon. This shaped moon This shaped moon is situated in this position.
Thanks for your attention.
And look, we are explaining.
Hello, my name is Rock and I can explain the Mars. It is one of the 4 rocky planets. It is the second planet smallest in solar system and has 2 satellites, Phobos and Deimos. Mars completes an orbit around in 6, 8, 7 days of Earth. A Martian is a Martian day approximated a half an hour long a terrestrial day. And now Vignette explain the history of Mars.
Mars is named after Roman god Ares and is often referred to as the red planet. The ancient Egyptians named it is Her Desert, meaning the red one, while ancient Chinese astronomers call it the first star. This is the our information. Hello, my name is David, and my group is Mark and Elena. My explication is Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet in the solar system. It is part of the Soviet outer or gaseous planet. Jupiter is bigger than the planet Mercury, and it makes it the most volcanic object in the solar system. And continue, Mark.
The external planets. The external planets are also named outer planets. These planets in the solar system are not close to the Sun like the Earth or the inner planets. These planets are long spheres and rings made of gas and ice. They usually name it giant planets. The external planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Jupiter is the closest to the Sun and Neptune is the farthest. And now is going to continue Elena.
Saturn is the sixth planet located in the solar system and is the second large planet in the solar system. It is composed of rocks and ice. Your atmosphere is gas. Saturn is famous for its 7 precious rings. There are several differences between Saturn and the Earth. Saturn days last 11 hours and I take 29 years to return to the Sun.
And now it's finished.
Hello, this is my group, Martina, Carla and Mijan. And today we will explain Uranus and Neptune and our group number 9.
We will start with Uranus.
Uranus is the 7th planet of the solar system, and it's the coldest one.
Yes, Uranus can hit very low atmospheric temperatures, until minus 224 degrees Celsius.
It takes 84 years to orbit the Sun, 24 times more than the Earth.
It is smaller than the Earth. It's turned on its axis only once every 17 hours and 14 minutes.
Neptune is the last planet from the Sun, and it is just a little bit bigger than Uranus.
Yes, it takes 18 hours to make one rotation on its axis.
And 165 years to orbit the Sun.
Thank you for your attention.
he chased